Hello, in this lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is very simple. The universe was created from nothing. That nothing is also defined as a quantum fluctuations. I will explain later what is quantum fluctuations. The answer to the second question, who created nothing, is also very simple. Nothing was never created because nothing was existed always. Nothing was always existed. Okay, so now I will explain what is quantum fluctuations. Quantum fluctuations is a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space. Okay, from those changes in the amount of energy, virtual particles can be created, and from those virtual particles, real particles can be created, and from a real particles, the matter in our universe can be created, and actually that is our universe. Okay, thank you very much.